Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell, and here on my channel we love to talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and a few vlogs in between. But today we're gonna get into this makeup look, and if you guys see my Sephora haul, then you know that I got the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Lit Glow All Over Enhancer, and I wanted to pair it with the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop. So today, that is what we're doing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be getting into a video that I mentioned in my Sephora haul. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go ahead and watch that video. I did go ahead and purchase the Fenty Eaze Drop Lit, and I have the Fenty Eaze Drop. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to do a very nice makeup look today, giving this a try for the first time. And obviously, since we're gonna be using this, it only makes sense to use the foundation. As you guys can see, I look real ashy, but that is because I decided to do my skincare with you guys today. Instead of like starting with all that stuff already done, let's do it together. So I'm going to be using a few products that I've gotten from BoxyCharm, and if you guys know, then you know, but I no longer have BoxyCharm anymore, so we're going to use all these products because we don't know when we're going to get some more skincare. I'm going to be using this Clarins Vitamin C Serum, as well as the Liss Beauty Serum that you guys actually just saw me unbox in my final unboxing for BoxyCharm. I did get this Keys Illuminating Serum a while ago. I've been using it. I actually like it a lot, so I thought, why not help with the extra glow by using this product? And the moisturizer that I'm going to be using today is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Moisturizer. I've been using this off and on, and I do feel like it's a nice lightweight type of moisturizer, so that is why I'm gonna go ahead and use this today. So the Liss Serum and the Keys Serum both have like some little reflective like sparkles in them. So when I do use those, I definitely do see that it gives a like nice radiant glow to the skin. And since we're gonna be glowing, like that's the main purpose for today, that's why I decided to use the two of those. And with this moisturizer, you actually don't need a lot of it. This kind of gives the same kind of feel of that thickness without being super thick. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Milk Hydro Grip. You guys know this is one of my favorite primers. Like at first I didn't love it, and as I continue to use it and compare it to like the other products that I have, I'm like, that one just got a little extra something in it. It's just got a little extra oomph. Like when you put it on, like my face is like tacky, y'all. Like it feels amazing, and I definitely feel like it helps my foundation and all my products stick, so that's why I like it. I'm gonna just shake this up first. I think it would make more sense for me to just kind of go all over the face with it, like, because we want that glow. So I'm gonna go ahead first. I'm gonna just start here on the high points of my cheeks, and like I told you guys in the actual unboxing, I don't know if this is the perfect color. There were like 4 other colors that you could choose from, and I chose what I thought would be right. So if this isn't the right color, we're just gonna have to go to Sephora and try out some of the other options. But I'm gonna just use this stippling brush to kind of go all over and work this product in. I think you guys can actually see. Definitely do see some sheen going on, but I just used a bunch of illuminating products before I put this on, so maybe it's, you know, the combination of all these together, but I do see a glow happening here. I do see that my skin is absolutely given shine, okay? I honestly think that I probably should have went one color down and got the next color instead of number 2. I mean, I guess this is a comparison of like how dull I could be right now. Not dull, but like that's my natural shine on my arms, and then that's like my face. So I feel like this definitely has a nice shine to it. It's a very subtle shine, and that's why I think this product is absolutely marketed as one that you could just wear under like foundations or by itself. We might go ahead and put it on top to see how that looks, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move on to our Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Foundation. And actually I should shake this up too. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this like I normally would all over my face. I love this stuff. If you guys haven't seen my Fenty Beauty like unboxing for this, and then like my Fenty Beauty versus Rare Beauty foundation, I would highly suggest you watch it because I think those are some amazing videos. They give you a lot of, you know, good feedback on the foundations. If you are somebody who wants something that is pretty natural, very nothing like, very skin tone evening, then I definitely would recommend that you watch those because it just gives you all the tea that you need to know, especially because everybody out here is just trying to claim that they're making, you know, natural foundations or like no makeup foundations. So I'm gonna just pull my nose ring out actually, because it be getting dirty. But today, you guys, me and Jordan are going on a little date. I'm just, you know, clearly getting ready. So I need to be ready by the time he gets back. So that's why I'm kind of moving fast with this as well. This foundation is so light that you could absolutely use your fingers for this, or you could use a nice stippling brush. I wouldn't use a beauty blender because I do think that because the product is so like, you know, I don't want to say thin, but like since it's very like thin, that I feel like the beauty blender will actually kind of absorb more of the product than, you know, really working it out. I feel like beauty blenders make a lot of sense for after the process, or at least just for, you know, blending other products together. I wouldn't necessarily use it for something very, very light coverage. I just feel like it doesn't deposit it in a way without sucking up most of it. So that is why I am using this stippling brush, and it looks very even. I think this is a good amount. I don't want too much because I still want this to be, you know, very natural looking. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Fenty matchstick in the shade Truffle. I haven't used Truffle in a long time. I'm gonna use another stippling brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to spray it just a little bit because the matchstick is a bit drying. Like, it's not the most moisturizing stick. So sometimes it is a little bit harder to work out, and if you don't want any like crazy harsh lines, girl, you need to work it all the way out. So I just wet it just a little bit with some Fix Plus, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and blend it out as such. But the Fenty matchstick, I feel like it's not the softest kind of product. You have time to like warm it up on the back of your hand and then go ahead and put the stick on your face. So you wanna just make sure that you are able to blend it, but you also wanna make sure that your skin itself is very moisturized, so that way you don't get it like extra stuck, and that just kind of helps move the process along faster. So I haven't set my face just yet, and I'm trying to decipher if I want to use my Fenty powder. I actually have two. I have banana and I have honey. Honey is a little bit more warmer. Banana is literally like a yellow. So my camera actually just ended up dying, y'all, while I was talking about the powders. So I decided to take that as an opportunity to do my brows real quick. I'll do honey first, and then I'll do banana to like bake. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take honey. This powder, y'all, is just so messy. It is just messy, girl, messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just take a little bit, and I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. I'm gonna press this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go into the banana powder, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this underneath the eyes. So I'm gonna blow some off. I'm gonna go and do the same thing, pressing it in, I use a Mocha Mommy by Fenty Beauty for my contour. I really like this because it's nice and warm. It's not one of those like ashy ones, so that's why although we used the truffle stick, it wasn't really that warm. This is going to definitely warm us back up and bring that life and just, you know, that nice glow to the skin. So here is the finished look. I really enjoyed how this look came out. I feel like it definitely has like, you know, a nice natural look to it. I do personally feel like I should have gotten shade number 3 instead of number 2. So I'll probably go to Sephora and swap these out. And I'm probably not gonna do that video on here because we already did this look today. But make sure you follow me on TikTok because I'll definitely go ahead and post it there. But I do like this product. I definitely think this product is very natural looking as far as like applying it to the skin. It's not like the previous like glow enhancers that we've seen from other brands. It's not very thick. It's like a very like thin consistency, so very easy to work with. That's why it's like perfect to pair with the actual Fenty Eaze drop. So I would definitely recommend that you guys try this out if you want more natural looks or want to just get that natural glow. But if you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, just go ahead and hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I do post a video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link those down below so that way you can easily click and follow. And make sure you guys are subscribed because I will be giving you guys details about our 600 subscriber giveaway in the next video, so you do not want to miss that. But again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you try it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.